Alright, YouTube. Blacked Out Bandit here. This is going to be a quick video. The last one I said I was putting fog lights on this 2021. Which you can see right here. That's my bike. This is my buddy's bike. Now, he went to the dealer. These are Harley Davidson. Let me grab you the box. These are Daymaker LED fog lamps. There's your part number. And yeah, this is just fog lights, and then you get a little wiring harness. And they're supposed to go, your wiring harness goes up and boom, hooks into these up inside your fairing. And then your fog lights run off of your passing lamps. Well, I don't blame him. I wouldn't want that either. I would want to be able to control the fog lamps separate from the passing lamps. So what he did is he bought accessory switch kit, which come with this. You got to take this off here, replace the dummy whole thing. There's 2 screws underneath there, and it gives you 2 accessory switches. And then down here in your right side cover, you got to hook in to a plug, run it over, hook into a plug on that side, and you got to hook up to the battery with an inline fuse. Well, the dealership told him that all he needed was this wiring kit. It hooks here, hooks over there, and here, and it's got its own relay right there. He said that's all you need to run the fog lights off of its own switch. That's what the dealership told him. Now, this dealership isn't one that I normally deal with because I've heard too many bad things about them. And after this and all the other stuff that's happened with him, I don't think he's dealing with them either. So I get all this stuff installed. The directions are junk. Throw them away. But it doesn't work. The only way to get the fog lights to work is off of your switch for your passing lamps. Unless Harley doesn't sell a wiring harness. You think a wiring harness that goes from the fog lights up through here into your harness for your new switches. Harley don't sell one, so you got to make your own. So that's what I did. You can see here I soldered it, hardwired it right to the accessory 2, and down in here somewhere there's still another set of wires for the other switch, so if he wants to add something else. But I took the tank off and just ran them down the backbone here, and it goes down and down up underneath there, and they hook up. So, let me get this bike back together, and we will show you what they look like. But yeah, if you want them, you can get the fog lights, hook them into your passing lamps, done. But you can't control them separately that way. If you want to be able to control them separately, you got to get the accessory switch kit, which is another $140. And then you have to hardwire it yourself, because Harley doesn't make a wiring kit. I think he told me all together, between the lamps, the mounts, the wiring, the switches, everything, he's got like almost $600 into it. So yeah, let me get this bike back together, and we will show you what it looks like all done. Sit tight. Alright guys, she's all back together. Last thing I got to do is adjust the fog lights. But I'm going to wait to do that for a few minutes. The owner's on his way back. I don't know if you can see at the light there on the door. This is the factory passing lamps right there. This is the fog lights right there. This is passing lamps and fog lamps. And then we can even hit the high beam and have everything on, because he did have this programmed so the passing lamp stays on with the high beam. So yeah. Now let me leave everything on to show you here. Here's what she looks like from the front. Gonna get bright. There you go, huh? Like I said, still gotta adjust them fog lights. That's why one's looking really bright and one ain't. They're just not adjusted right. But we'll get that done here next. But just wanted to show you guys. It's a lot of light output coming out of the front end. There's with the passing lamps off, just fog lights and blinkers. Yeah, let me hit a blinker for you just so you can kind of see. There you go. See? Headlight. Get down here, there's the fog lights. There you go. See, now they're both bright. Just got to get them adjusted. But, yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know if you think it's worth the money. And, we'll catch you on the next one. Be safe. Keep the rubber side down. Later.